Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Michener Hill, a peaceful neighborhood in Red Deer, Alberta. Perched on a gentle rise overlooking the city, this area is known for its great views and quiet charm. Over time, Michener Hill has grown into a well-loved residential area with a mix of character homes and newer builds. Its tree-lined streets, friendly atmosphere, and green spaces make it a favorite for families and longtime residents alike. Whether you're exploring its viewpoints, learning about its past, or just enjoying the peace, Michener Hill is a beautiful spot to experience the best of Red Deer. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Red Deer has a long history that began long before modern settlement. For thousands of years, the region was home to indigenous peoples, including the Plains Cree, Blackfoot, and Stoney nations. They used the river valley as a travel route and gathering place, following established trails that connected important areas across the plains. The river that runs through the city was originally known by the Cree name meaning Elk River. European settlement in the area increased during the late 1800s. In 1882, a trading post and stopping house were built near a shallow crossing on the Red Deer River. This crossing became an important stopping point along the trail that connected Calgary and Edmonton. During the Northwest Rebellion of 1885, the site was used as Fort Normandeau, highlighting its importance as a regional transportation location. The arrival of the railway changed everything for the young community. In 1891, trains began arriving in the area after landowner Leonard Gates provided property to help build a bridge across the river. This allowed the town site to grow, and the original river crossing was gradually abandoned as transportation shifted to rail. The railway helped establish Red Deer as a commercial and agricultural hub for central Alberta. During the early 20th century, Red Deer developed into a stable prairie city. After the First World War, it remained relatively small but economically steady, supported by farming, trade, and regional services. Unlike many prairie areas, central Alberta did not suffer the worst drought conditions during the Great Depression of the 1930s, which helped Red Deer remain financially stable during those difficult years. The Second World War also left its mark on the city. A large military training camp was established in Red Deer, and two airfields were built nearby at Penhold and Bowden. These facilities trained thousands of military personnel and contributed to the city's growth during wartime. After the war ended, Red Deer expanded quickly, especially after major oil discoveries in Alberta during the late 1940s brought new industry and employment to the region. In the decades that followed, Red Deer continued to grow into one of Alberta's most important cities. Its location, roughly halfway between Calgary and Edmonton, made it a natural service center for central Alberta. Today, Red Deer is one of the largest cities in the province and serves as a regional hub for healthcare, education, government services, and industry.
Thanks for watching!